see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.
Hi.
Show me. Arrived. Follow Daddy. Yes. Follow Daddy, go. There's Daddy, oh quick. There's Daddy there, oh run. Where you going? Opo, ikaw ba ba? Ayan, naghihintay kami kay Jan kasi kinukuha niya yung luggage. Yung dalawa. Ba? Huh? Yeah. Ayan na, nakuha na namin yung dalawa.
Hi, Doris. Welcome to
Where we're going?
the Bali Garden, Doris.
Say hi. We're in Bali. Dito na kami, guys. Ang init. Parang pang din ng Pinas. Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
To the water bomb park.
We're not going to put water bomb park yet.
I know.
Hi. Hi, you don't. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say Bali.
No.
No, say Bali. Say Bali.
Bye.
Bali. Daanan may parang ano siya. Ganyan, parang isko mga ano, ang liliit ng ano nila ng daanan dito. Basta liit lang, ayan o. Ganun lang. Ayan. Marami kayong nakikita na ang mga motor. So, ano lang talaga sila, lalabas lang sila sa may mga iskinita, bigla-bigla. Nakakatakot ang mga motor dito, ha?
No, there's water bomb park here.
Water bomb park. Here. Here. This one. Ano? Para siyang ano, supermarket sa amin. Yung dinadaan namin, parang yung supermarket sa Bicol. Wala pa akong nakikitang ano, na yung talagang alam, parang tourist spot. Puro sa iskinita ang dinadaanan namin. Ayan, oh. Parang ano lang, Bicol, oh. Ayan. Dito na kami sa main road. Oh, it's just there. Where's the Bali? Oh, here's the Bali Garden. Ayan, dyan kami. Dyan kami.
That where we staying?
Yeah, this is where we're staying. Bali Garden. Andun yung sign.
Oh, we have some chicken
Wow.
joes here.
Nah, not yet.
We're probably going to have a look around.
Why not?
What's it?
Of course we're going to water bomb park. We just got here. I've been here, what, 2 minutes?
That's why.
I've got to just
Relax
settle in, buddy.
first. Nagrereklamo siya, wala raw na slide. Galit na galit siya sa amin. There's nothing to do here. Tapos sabi niya dyan, kararating lang natin 2 minutes ago. Hinahanap mo na yung water park.
Yeah, coming.
Okay, let's go. Okay, come on. We're going up, Baba. Let's go. We're going up. Akyat tayo, guys. Akyat with us. Wow. Holly, careful, Baba. Careful, Holly. Whoops. Oh, wow.
What's that juice?
I'm not sure water.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Of course you're not. Zach is tough. How is it, Zach? Is that alright, Zach?
I didn't like it.
Check-in pa si Jan. Ang weather nila, iba naman sa atin. Kasi sa atin, pagdating mo, pawis na pawis ka dito. Presko, yung, alam mo yung parang nasa probinsya ka, yun ang weather nila. ang hangin nila, hindi siya mainit. Okay lang, presko. Yun nga, yung parang probinsya na nasa, ano ka, nasa parang ganon. Okay yung weather nila so far. Kasi hindi pa naman kayo pinapawisan. Ayan si Oli, takbo lang ng takbo. Holly! Holly!
Here we go.
Welcome.
We're gonna arrive 3 weeks.
So, dito na kami sa kwarto namin. Dito kayo magstay for 22 days or 24 days. I'm not sure kasi si Jan nasa labas. Basta more than 20 kami magstay dito sa kwartong to. So, anyway, pagpasok niyo dito sa kwarto, dito sa my left side ko, may makikita kayo dito. Ayan, may pahanger. And then, may full-length mirrors sila, guys. Ayan. And pag binuksan natin ito, dito natin ilalagay ang mga damit. So, ayan. May ilan siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na hindi pala to drawer cabinet. And my blower. Ayan yung blower. Tapos, dito naman sa katapat niya is nandito yung banyo. So, yan yung toilet. And simple lang siya. Nandito yung shower and then may bathtub. And dito naman yung may mirror ulit. Tapos yung sink. So, yan. Very simple. And pag binuksan pag sinara natin to, dito naman yung safety box. Tapos, ayan, yung luggage. Dito natin ilalagay yung luggage. And dito, luggage ulit. Lalagyan ng luggage. Isa, dalawa. Tapos, drawer ata to. Yep, drawer. Then, may pa-mirror ulit sila. Maraming mirror dito, guys. And, eto yung bunk bed. Nakikita nyo yung sisa ko. Kanina pa siya dyan. So, ayan. Bunk beds. And then, ayan. Dito mayroon pang extra. So, 3 siyang bed. Ayan. And eto yung, what size is this? King? King?
King.
Yeah, king. Yeah, king bed. So, yan ang bed namin. And mayroon silang frame na 3. Ayan. Then, lampshade. And then, drawer. Office ni John. Nandun na siya, oh. Guys, may details yung ano nila, oh. May pailaw, tapos may ganyan, may... Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan. And then, ayan. Kinukulit ako ni Jan ka ng mga bata. So, ayan. Mayroon naman ditong drawer. Ayan. Drawer. And then, another drawer. Ano to? Marble? Is this marble? Ayan. And then, nandito yung ref nila na may... Anong laman ng ref? Wale. It's big. We can put something.
Yeah, we'll go to Mount Harris, get some.
Oh, it's nice.
Stuff,
Yeah.
Fresh water.
And then meron sila dispenser water. Ayan, may pa-water sila, guys. Oh, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mineral kasi meron mineral daw to. So ayan, may hot and cold. Oh, 'di ba? Then meron ditong ayan, nakita nyo na yan, office ni John. So dito tayo mag-edit. And lampshade and then drawer ulit. Siguro dito yung sapatos ilagay. And then dito sa labas, yung view namin. Excuse me, Holly. Buksan natin, labas tayo. Oops, nakalock.
Yeah, just pull it. Turn it, just pull the fucking chain.
Okay. Oh, mahangin. Baba, wait. So, ayan, paglabas mo, mahangin dito, guys. Tapos yan, may upuan. Diyan ka kung naninigarilyo ka, dito ka manigarilyo. So, yan ang kapitbahay namin. So, etong view namin sa labas. Diba? Ang ganda. Ano lang siya, very simple lang siya na room, pero malaki. Malaki siya, oh. Diba, Holly? You like our room, Baba? Say yes.
Yes.
Huh? Huh? So, yeah, dito tayo upo-upo. Pag umaga. Tapos, yan yung ano, andyan yung lobby. Baba, don't lock me, Baba! Holly! Holly! Mag-ano na muna ako, mag-unpack na muna ako ng mga gamit and later, relax na lang tayo. So, dyan muna kayo.
What's that?
Ito na, naampak ko na yung mga damit namin. Etong dito, kay Jan yan lahat. Ito yung shades yan. Linagay ko dyan yung mga shades ko. And eto yung kay Holly. And then eto yung sa akin. And akin. Sa amin yan basta ni Holly yung mga pink. And eto yung sa mga boys. Eto kay Kuya TJ, kay Zach. And of course, na-occupy pa rin namin ni Holly yung space nila. So ayan, yan yung mga damit namin. Ayan. And dito yung damit ni Holly para pabalik sa Australia kasi malamig pagbalik namin. And dito yung aming mga accessories ni Holly. Ayan. Then dito yung sapatos. Eto, pag sinara mo to, mabubukas yung ano. Doon nakalagay yung mga luggage namin. Andyan. Yung mga luggage. Na wala nang laman. Tapos ayan yung safety box namin. Sa mga drawers, ang mga nilagay ko, eto, dito ko linagay yung mga nappies ni Holly. And eto, sapatos to ni Holly. And yung wala ng mga laman na toiletries na lalagyan. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, yung mga makeup ko yan. And yung sapatos ko. And laruan ni Holly. Ayan. Tapos yung activities nila. Sa kabilang drawer. And dito yung aming first aid kit and yung mga sunscreens, tapos alcohol, kung ano-ano pa, ayan. Diyan. Then, dito sa kabila, tripods, and then yung pantulog ni Holly. So, yan. Hi, baby. Yes, baba. And then, nandito yung gatas ni Holly, vitamins, and yung ininom ko pag umaga. So, yan. Na-unpack na natin, guys. Ito naman yung mga dala ko para sa skincare, para alaga pa rin ang ating skin kahit nasa bakasyon tayo. Tapos, may dala akong mask. Ito yung mask na dala ko. 30 pieces na to. Nandiyan siya. Nakalagay siya sa container. Para lang siyang wipes. And, meron din ako sa eyes and chin mask. Ayan. Ninagay ko sila sa ziplock para hindi matapon yung serum pag binuksan ko sila. And, ito yung cotton. And, ito yung Q-tips. So, ito yung side ko. And yung side ni Jan, ito. Ito yung side ni Jan. Na-occupy ko pa rin yung space ni Jan. Kasi akin to, sa buhok ko yan. And ito yung body mist. And ito, sa akin din to. Cream silk siya. Pero ang laman yan is yung, ano na, yung pang hot oil. Para hindi mag-dry yung buhok ko. Tapos, ayan, sa buhok ko pa rin yan, namin ni Holly. And ito lang kay Jan. And pang shave. And Jimmy Choo na perfume. At saka yung pang shave niya. And ito yung aming toothbrush. And ito akin to, yung sabon ko to sa mukha. So, yan yung kay Jan. Where you going? Swimming. Okay, let's go. Okay. Gusto niyo na mag-swimming. Nauna na yung mga boys. Tara. Mag-swimming na siya. First day of swimming. Okay, let's go see Daddy. Swimming pool. Nauna na yung mga boys habang nag-unpack ako. Nag-swimming na sila. So, ayan si Holly. Holly. Ito yung papunta sa swimming pool. Hindi ko alam. Sabi ni Jan, i-follow lang daw to. Where's Daddy? Where? Go. No running, Baba. No running. No running. Here, the swimming pool. Here, Baba. Okay, go there. This way. This way, go. Yeah. Go. Up. Yeah. Yeah. Here. 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 Oh, hala. You have to be careful. Follow mommy. Here, swimming. Come on. Oh, careful. You're gonna fall. Oh, my fish. Wow. Halika na. Halika na, Papa. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. Welcome to Bali, guys. Ayan ang mga ano nila, mga structure dito, mga ganyan. Mga parang pa-temple. Oh. What's that? Tabi-tabi po. Oops, say tabi-tabi po. Okay. What's that? Pray? No. Okay, come on. Go find Daddy. Go there. Malapit na kami sa swimming pool. Come on here. Daddy's here. This way. Oh, ayan ang sexy niya. Yeah, go. Hurry up. Oh, look at this, Baba. Look, Baba. Look, what's this? There's Daddy, Baba. Not yet, not yet. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Golly. Han. Tapos na mag-swimming yung mga bata.
Food here.
Dito naman tayo sa may beach front. Dito yung hotel namin. And dito beach front to. Ayan, may kainan. Oh, wow. Smells good.
Huh?
So,
Take.
wow. Oh, they're going. Ang daming motor, oh. Diyan lang yung ano namin, ho. Ang lapit lang. Lapit ng hotel namin dito. Yeah, for sale. Ang daming motor, guys, oh. Kung sa Philippines to, na-snatch na to. No, you're not gonna ride motorbike. It's too dangerous, honey. Ayun yung beach.
I wonder where they all are though. Where are all the male workers?
Oh, maybe they rent it. Darling. Say hi. First day. Nagpahinga lang na konti. Nag-swimming and then eto na, naglalakad.
Have a go for a minute. Look at the beach, boy. Look at the beach. Tide's coming in, Rat Dog.
Say hi, honey.
Hi. Oh, it's coming in a bit, hasn't it? Just slowly.
Hi daw, guys. Minsan lang yan, ha? Yeah, Daddy
Yeah,
will
we'll find something.
we'll find something.
We need
to cut.
something to cut those things off, Kylie.
Your sleepers.
Have you? Look out.
Go to... Honey, motorbike, babe. My God.
This is what they used. This is what they used to be 10 times.
Ang daming... Guys, nakakatakot dito kasi ang daming motor lang talagang nagaano, dumadaan. Oh, ayan na naman. Motor. Ayan yung beach. Oh, parang Philippines lang, oh. Welcome to the Philippines.
Not that bad.
May saranggola doon.
Buddy.
Thanks, Kuya. Kuya is
Oh, I
pushing.
really want to swim in the beach.
You will,
Yeah,
mate.
you will. We got plenty of time.
Zachary, get over here.
This is the time to swim. If they want to have a swim.
Aming palakaya. Malilit na boat. Parang Philippines lang talaga siya. Ah,
Get in front of me, boys. Get in front of me so I can see you.
daming motor, guys, oh. Eh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, mga tambay sa kanto. Mga tambay. Are you gonna surf tomorrow, Joe?
Nah, so flat.
Nah. There's a lot of squirrels. See? See that? See the squirrel?
See the squirrel in the tree? Up the
See?
tree, look at him.
Here, here.
Look at him.
This one, oh.
There's a squirrel, Zach.
Squirrels, oh. Hi. Ang dami dito.
There's squirrels.
You see? You see that? Yeah. It's cool, isn't it, Baba? Say hi, guys.
What if we were like nuts? What if we were like nuts?
Like nuts.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's the squirrel. You see the
Alvin.
Alvin? That's right. Alvin the chipmunks. Naghanap kami ng papalitan ng pera. So, tingnan nyo guys ang motor, di ba? Ang daming motor. Nagkalat ng motor para lang silang mga langgam. Ayan. Start. Wait na. I have to hold you. So, di ba? Oh, dapat tumingin ka kung hindi masasagi ka. Ang daming nilang tindahan. So careful! Watch where you're going! Oh, see, tingnan nyo guys ang mga motor. Ginigitnaan kami. Ayan, mga tambay sa kanto. Ayan pa, mga tambay sa kanto. Ayan, may kumaway. Oh, Sak! Careful, Saki! Sak! So, parang nasa Eskinita lang kami. Ang daming mga summer dress. So, first day pa lang yan, guys. Ang dami ko lang nakikita ang mga shops. Sakari, careful! Thank you! Kung gusto niyo magpatato dito sa Kuta, ayan, may patatuan. What's that?
You have to wait later.
Later.
You'll have to wait.
How much? How much?
Yeah, we'll come
Sucks.
thing, right? Remember you.
How much? What's up top?
What's up there?
Oh my God. Ah, honey. Kung gusto niyo ng mga Louis Vuitton, ayan, marami dito din. Parang nasa Divisoria.
Sit back.
Louis Vuitton. Guys, so ang daming Louis Vuitton, guys. So,
Is Kylie here?
yeah, here. Ang dami nila.
Kylie?
Ang dami nilang. Ha?
Money change. Look at
Money changer pala dito, guys. Hindi lang pala mga replika ng Louis Vuitton.
250.
Stay there.
Magpapapalit kami ng pera, guys.
Stay there.
Stay there, Baba. Don't go.
6 million to
Whoa! Ang laki ng palit ng pera nila dito. How many dollars?
2.6 million.
Yeah, how many dollars?
250.
$250. 2.6 million. That's a lot of money. Guys, ang stricto nila magpapalit ng pera pag may konting yung konting punit, hindi nila dito sa kanya, hindi niya pinapapalit. So dapat pag pumunta kayo dito, yung pera nyo walang mga punit-punit. So ayan, daming Louis Vuitton, guys. Iba-ibang style. How much? Tanungin natin, how much? Louis Vuitton. Ang dami.
1,500,000.
1.575.
And a free handbag?
No.
Free handbag?
Free handbag?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get her.
Where is she?
There.
Just here.
Bilihan ng epektos dito, guys.
150, 200, 250, 300.
3,150,000 you're gonna get, John. 3 million.
Yeah, 3 million.
100.
3 million, guys.
Did you get the check?
Check.
Check niya naman yan, oh.
3.
Okay. Opo.
Yeah, give it one.
It's hard-earned Australian dollars, mate. Hard-earned.
Ganyan ang pera nila, oh.
3 billion, huh? How much? 3 million, 150.
Yep.
3,150,000.
Check.
Check. Lagi niya.
300 times 5. 3 million, 150.
Yep.
Million.
Make sure they haven't got any
2,
custard.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep.
2 million.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yep. And 150 you need.
3 million. We got millions
In Bali, yes.
in Bali.
You're a millionaire.
150.
How about those millionaires people, Joe? How about those people's millionaires in Bali?
For me?
What they call trillion?
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, Johnny, how about a loan? Your share? You won't even fit that in your wallet, mate.
That's right.
What do you want?
Do you have free bag for our money? Free wallet?
This one nothing.
No,
So
so
money.
Hey.
Maybe drop, me lose money.
Yeah?
Yeah, you good. Maybe drop money.
Now, how come you wouldn't take 100? That 100 works at home like that, mate.
Because me not boss. Boss, I don't like me. Cut my money. Look, credit. Cut my money.
guys, kasi
Yeah,
Ano?
you understand?
Yeah, bro.
Whatever
I'm
they
only
give us,
giving you
whatever
a
price
stir,
they
mate.
say,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have it. Yeah.
One more, Solly.
Alright, I'll watch your door, Kylie.
Alright.
You're the bank man in Bali, yeah?
Yeah.
Bank man.
Make
I
sure
got-
no one goes like this and
take
dips
the
her out, China.
Okay, may millions ako sa bag, guys.
I'm
Honey, put her, please.
Ollie, hop in.
And
There's lots of cars.
put the seat belt.
Come on.
Guys, milyonaryo kami sa Bali. We got millions. Bilan namin si Sak ng EFL.
Okay.
Um,
No, but that's $20, man. Hey, different material. I said 450.
450.
What's the last price?
350. Hey, 150. I have not seen that material. This one cheap one. Ah, this one okay. 200. Okay, 200. Oh, that's what you 50, my friend. This one okay, do 200.
150.
Tawaran to guys, tawaran.
150.
Which one?
I'm saying 150.
Siya kasi lagi siyang nasa Bali.
Hey, you said
300.
Yeah, no, honey. Ayaw magpatawad. Konti lang yung tawad. Pero yung dalawang lalaki, sabi okay na. Yung kasama kong babae, sabi, kailangan ano daw, babaan pa yung presyo kasi dapat dito sagarin yung yung pagtawad. Wag daw agad-agad na bibigay sa sinabi niya na okay, last price ini. Pwede pa raw yan tingnan niyo guys, oh, ganito ka katindi ang kanilang iskinita. So yun nga, dapat makipagtawaran ka talaga.
Walk off and they call you back. He's called him back.
Yeah, that's what the Auntie Gwen did. There.
He's called him back.
Look at Zach. What do you want, a Zach?
Later, Zach, we got a lot. No, we got a lot.
Yeah, that's $20. Cheap
20 bucks.
shit.
Yeah, I know, but
450. Halve it, take a bit more off, which he did. I thought the guy said 400. I said to Joe, don't say frigging
200.
Take more off, but 200. Truly, I've just been as tight up that.
yeah. Say 200.
Go back and get it for 200. If we find
Oh, honey, go get the holy honey. Come on, let's go. 200. Gusto naming bilhin 200 rupa.
Pull her off the road.
200,000, Han? 200,000 rupa?
Yeah.
200,000 rupa. Han! Best friends. Best friends sila, guys. Yan ang daddy ni Sophie at saka ni Kobe.
Dad, you have that.
Dreamcatcher.
Yeah, I know.
You don't need another one.
Bili kami ng corn here. Honey! Hi! How much? 15,000? How much is that? 15,000? $1.50. Okay, $1.50. Where's my money, honey? Hindi namin alam kung anong pera.
What's that one? That alone?
Is that the smallest one?
Yeah, that
There you
one.
go.
What cake?
So how much?
No, you get 35,
How much is this?
change.
Here. Is it cooked? Is that yours?
Yeah, I'm getting 3, but she put it on
Okay. So 13, how much is it again?
15, so you'll get
2. Is it enough? Enough? 15,000. 15,000, okay. 30,000. So it's like $3? $3. Yung amin hindi pa luto, guys. Oh, matagal pang hihintayin namin si Sak. Gusto niya nang kumain. You gonna try it, Sak? Say yes. Parang gusto na ni Sak kainin yung isa. Oh, hindi yan atin, Sak. Oh, yum. Chili. Yung nagamit nila parang yung yung sa atin na yung shell ng coconut. Is that coconut shell? Is that coconut? Oh, yung nila, coconut yung uling. Tum na si Soko. Umalis na sila dyan, tsaka sila Kylie. Imimit na lang namin sila dun sa dulo kasi matagal pa ata to. Are you very hungry, baby, Sak? You're my baby. And then meron sila ditong peanuts. Yung parang what's this? No, parang ewan ko andyan. What's this? Sweet potato and saba? Banana. We got banana here, guys. Parang yung sa atin yung saba. What's that? Do you wanna try peanut? Okay, gusto raw na i-try ni Sak yung peanut. How much? 5,000. Hala, 5,000. Wala guys, hindi ko alam talaga kung hindi ko 5,000. This? Oh no, careful. No, you don't eat like that, Baba. You have to remove the shell, Baba. You have to remove the shell. Kinagat niya yung shell, hindi. Like this, Baba. You have to do this. First time niya kasi itong kainin, oh. Ganyan, Baba. Here. You have to eat this one, oh. Here, get that one. Try it. And try. No, that's the peanuts. Try it. It's good. Good? Huh? Nagustuhan niya. Oh, yummy yan. Ay, ang tamis. No more. Yeah, just a shot. Can I have 2 bags, please? 1 butter. Butter and chili, please. 1 butter. Nagustuhan ni Sak yung peanut. No, you have to do this, not.
1 butter, 1 chili.
Yeah. Butter and, yeah, 1 butter and then...
LED butter.
Only, okay. Ito na yung corn natin, guys. Oh, careful. Thank you. What is thank you in? What's thank you? Wakasi? Trimakasi. Ah, trimakasi. Oh, this is spicy. Later na, Baba. Eat that peanut first. Come on, let's go. Ito na yung hot corn. Ito yung kay Sak. Not spicy corn. Kumakain siya, oh. Hinahanap na, andyan na si Jan, oh. Ano yan? Popsicle?
Hi. Hello.
Change? Hi. Oh, Mar.
Go down a cart, do Carly.
What?
How much for that?
350.
No.
How much?
We barter with you?
Yeah. 300.
150. 200. 200 for that.
300 for normal price.
No, 200 for that. How much for that?
Give it. How much is that cost, Brown? Did you get one?
This one?
What's
This?
this? 5,000.
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam kung anong pera. This one?
What's that worth? 100.
This $1.
So how much you need, honey?
Yeah. No, this already. Boss. Done already.
So how many you need?
One second, boy.
No, that's Yafi.
Get 3 kids.
How much
Yeah.
is it? 300,000.
Yeah. 300.
Got change?
This one for
This is
$10.
100. 10
1 million.
100.
100,000.
Yeah.
Ah, 100,000.
300,000.
Yeah.
This is about $10.
Ah, $10.
If you want 300, 3 of
Ah,
One more. 3 of them.
300. This only $30.
okay.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Thank you, boss.
You been here before?
No.
To Bali?
No, first time.
First time.
Better get one
Yeah,
over.
wait, Baba.
Oh, no, I got one left. Yeah. Thank you. Stay Marlborough Light?
Yeah.
Yep, the other way.
Okay, thank you very much. You're welcome.
Gusto niya rin daw ng ice cream. Can I have one?
And Sipwa,
Ah, yeah. How much?
send that one.
Yeah.
15,000.
What else you have?
Yeah, what you want? Send this one?
I want like Kobe.
Or you want this one or you want this one? Oh. This one 25.
Me too, Ham.
25.
Yeah, for Magnum. Big one.
Ang tamis ng mani. Parang yung ate na nilagang mani.
Yeah, we just one
Isa
big
kayo
one.
mag-ice cream na naman siya. Oh.
Hey.
Quick, big one, yeah? This one.
Hey, thank you.
Okay, thank
What you
you.
say?
What you say?
You're welcome.
Mahiyain pa siya eh. I want... Yes, please.
What you want?
Magnum.
Sam?
Yes, Sam. Sam. Parang Philippines.
50.
50,000.
Yeah.
50,000. Dalawa.
What about?
Thank you.
Welcome. $5.
I can't get the bloody $10. $100,000.
This one.
So
This one,
$1,000
this
is
one.
$1.
Yes, $1.
And that's 50 cents.
Yeah,
50 cents.
50
This
cents.
color, this blue.
Blue one.
$5.
Popsicle.
Righto.
How long saya bikin kamu nggak ikut?
3 weeks.
Hinisigawan ako ni Holly.
We'll get real.